Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So, I'm at a stop, and I'm a truck driver, so I'm just sitting here being loaded. And I figured, what the heck, I would sit down and talk to everybody about one way that I use to build wealth. And that is credit card churning and credit card rewards. Sorry, the phone's shaking. Like I said, they're going in and out of the trailer with a fork truck, so it's going to bounce a little bit. And it is what it is. Sorry. So, what did I say? I said credit card churning and credit card rewards. So, I had some consumer debt, and I refinanced my mortgage, added a little bit of money to that, and I took a little bit of a cash out and paid out a bunch of my consumer debt that had interest on it, and cleared all that up. And so what I did is, once that interest was gone and I paid off all the credit cards and any loans I had, what I started doing is signing up for credit cards and getting the credit card bonus, the welcome bonus, and the cash back. So the first card I did this with was, sorry about the autofocus. The first card I did this with was the Wells Fargo Active Cash. And that gave me, like, if I spent, I'm right by an airport, so I don't know if you can hear that, but I just had a plane go over top of me and it sounded like it was real low. But anyways, Wells Fargo Active Cash. I signed up for that, and I believe it had a $200 sign-on bonus. I'm not 100% certain on that. It was like $200, I believe. If you spend $1,000 in 3 months, they give you $200 or $250. So really easy to do. I hit that in a little over 30 days. Just putting my normal bills on it, grocery shopping, things like that. I didn't run out and buy a bunch of stuff. So the whole point of credit card hacking is you don't pay interest. You get the rewards back, but you don't pay interest. Now, so what I do is I pay off that balance in full. I get paid twice a month. I get paid twice a month, bi-weekly. So, sorry, had a call. Had to decline it. But so I get paid bi-weekly. And what I do is every time I get paid, I will pay off the balance on that credit card. That way I am never holding a balance on it. Or at least when the time comes, I'm not making minimum payments. So after, like I said, a little over 30 days, I got the $200 sign-on bonus for that. And that was the Wells Fargo Active Cash. And that was great. No annual fee. I look for the cards with no annual fees. This card requires a good to excellent credit score, I believe. It also had a $1,500 limit, and I believe I said no annual fee, and that's what I looked for. Plus, on a plus side, it offers 2% cash back. It offers up to like $500 of insurance and phone protection if you pay your phone bill with it, which I do not. And then there's various other things that it offers. So you might go to Walmart, and for that month, Walmart will give you 3% back, or Home Depot will give you 3% back. Everywhere else gives you 2%. So it gives you an unlimited 2% back. But to me, the only downside was it had a $1,500 limit, and when I had a card for me and my wife, I could use that $1,500 in less than 2 weeks between the two of us. So that was the downside of that one. It had a small limit on it, which if you're not spending a whole lot and you just want to get your feet wet, that's a great thing. And then I jumped over to the Capital One Quicksilver card, and that gave me a $150 bonus if I spent $500 in 90 days, which, once again, easy to do. Now that has also no annual fee, 1.5% unlimited cash back, and it would have certain stores that offered more, like Home Depot might offer you 3%, Lowe's might offer you 3%, and they're just other stores. And that one had perks also. And I believe the Wells Fargo card offered the same thing, but some of the perks on it was like you can check your credit score, you can there's just other tools with the that comes along with having the credit card. So I had that one. And then the next card I opened was a State Farm Premier Visa card, which the reason I got that one is because my insurance is through State Farm. And once again, if I spent $500, I got $150. So boom, I did that. And if I use it to pay my State Farm insurance, then it would give me 3% back. Otherwise, the percentage back is, that one's a little different. It's like gas stations and convenience stores, I believe, is 2%. And then all other purchases is 1%. But it's an unlimited amount. But really, the only reason I got it was for the 3% to pay my insurance, which I do. I pay my insurance and my wife's insurance with that. And we get 3% back each month. And I pay the balances off in full before any interest is accrued. All of these have a 0% annual rate. And it's just an easy way to build small amounts. I know you have some of the gurus out there that say credit cards are bad, all debt is bad, but debt's just a tool. Debt's neither good nor bad. It's how you use it. A credit card is neither good nor bad. It's how you use it. I heard the perfect definition of it. A credit card is just a piece of plastic. It's a piece of plastic until you start using it, whether you use it good or bad. So basically, that's credit card churning. Now, if you have any interest in this, my favorite card is the Quicksilver card. Now I can't remember the name of it, but it's the Quicksilver, and I actually have a referral link to that if anybody wants to try signing up for it. I'll leave the referral link down below. They're not an affiliate, it's just a referral. And I think I can get like $150 or something. I'm not 100% certain what it is, but if anyone wants to use it, hey, I appreciate it. And I look at it like this, like I said, those credit cards, they're just tools. That's all it is. Use it for good or ill. If you cannot pay it off, do not do this, because you do not want to pay interest. The whole point is not paying interest. The whole point is building wealth. So, all right, everybody, there it is. If you want to check out this playlist, this is my Road to 1 Million playlist over here. This video up here is 5 side hustles that require $0 and no skills to start. So, all right, everybody, let's get it. Let's hit it. Let's hustle.